you know, matrix is an order array or arrangement of numbers. Here a matrix is written of order n by n. Observe first row. This is first row of the matrix. Observe first subscript of all elements of first row. First subscript is 1. It means this is first row of matrix. Now observe first subscript of all elements of second row. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. This 2 represents second row of this matrix. In similar way, we observe first subscript of this row, I. It means this row is ith row. And if we observe first subscript of this row, here m, it means this is nth row. Observe all these elements. In these elements, what is written? We observe that in all these elements, second subscript is 1. It means these elements are of first column. Now observe all these elements. In these elements, what is second subscript? Second subscript is 2. It means these elements are of second column. And similarly, these elements are of third column, and these elements are j column, and these elements are of n column. In this way, there are total number of elements m into n, and this matrix has n rows, so its order is m into n. First number represents number of rows, and second number represents number of columns. So this matrix has m by n order matrix. We can generally write this matrix in simple form as Aij m by n. Here I represents numbers lying between 1 to m. I can be 1 and j lies between 1 and n, and I and j are natural numbers.